I am speaking with Raechel Warren, a member of the Miss America organization. Raechel, can you share your thoughts on the impact of knowing your strengths?
So the first time I took strengths, I knew that it was really impactful. It was exciting. I was in college, and so you're still finding yourself in college, of course, but I'm a part of the Miss America organization, and my personal platform, my community service initiative, is all about mentorship, and it's called Passion to Purpose. And my whole goal is to not just mentor, but to really encourage youth to find community, to discover what they're passionate about, because ultimately we all have a purpose, and I think our generation and younger are really struggling with who am I? What am I supposed to do in this world that's increasingly moving like this and putting all these pressures on kids? So I love to be able to, as a local title holder in Nebraska, to be able to work with young people one-on-one and in groups, and with these organizations like Gallup that go out and help encourage young people. And what's so cool about Gallup is there's stuff for middle schoolers, high schoolers, and us adults. And so I think it's so powerful to be able to know who I am, especially as a title holder and as a young woman, but now I get to pass that on to a younger generation, and I only wish that 12-year-old Raechel would have been able to see her strengths, but now I can help my 12-year-old mentee figure out what her strengths are and encourage her in what she's good at.
Raechel, helping another individual grow and learn about themselves. What an awesome responsibility and opportunity. Could you share more about your vision and how this is a part of your life?
So right now I am a mentor for a young mentee, she's 12, within the TRACK organization. So TRACK is Teen Reach Adventure Camp, and it's an organization that works with students in foster care. And I'm so excited that I have learned about this organization and I get to be a one-on-one mentor, because now I get to go and do things like go to the movies or go to the luminarium with this girl. But through all those interactions, not just am I there for her, but I'm also hoping to be a good role model of how to, walk through everyday life and saying please and thank you, and just like being a young lady in our society. And I hope that while I'm learning so much from her, she's opened my eyes to so many things. I also hope that I'm setting a good example for her. And as a title holder in the Miss America organization, as a young lady here and a woman in agriculture, what I hope to do is to just set a good example for everybody, and I strive to be my best self every single day.